嘛？
我搞不定啊，我去教他呀。
靠山人又跑，靠山又跑。
哎呀，他的手机在他手上，不在我手上。他手机在他手上，不在我手上。
太依赖性。
对，太依赖性了。你不也依赖性吗？你不活在这个家里，你去死吧你！
我跟你讲，明天开始我手机不给你了，你这样你情愿跑的，一直在玩游戏，一直在玩。
我不用听你讲了，你讲的够多了，废话讲的够多了。
跟你讲，零食不要吃，还在吃，我就看了就逛花。
惯吧，气死你！
天天这样，
我就天天这样。Hello,
Ben. Welcome to our class. It's me, Teacher Kathy Jaden. All right, Ben, can you hear me clearly?
Yes.
All right. Now, Ben, how are you today?
I'm fine.
Wow, very nice to hear. That's great. Now, Ben, are you now ready for our class? Let's go. Let's go.
Wait. Hey, teacher, wait for me, okay?
Okay.
I'm coming.
All right. Okay, now let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Now, Ben. All right, today we are going to review, okay, what you've learned in lesson 1, lesson 2, and lesson 3. Okay, now look at the picture, Ben. Can you still remember Timmy's family member? Right, so let's go, Ben. Let's find out. All right, now, Ben. Now let's have this activity. Okay, find and circle the following words: niece, nephew.
Niece.
That's right. Okay. Nephew, intelligent, arrogant.
Intelligent, arrogant, base,
and that's right. Good job. Okay, now teacher will make here. Okay, we'll find the word niece in the puzzle. Now, Van, it's your turn. Where is nephew? Please, wow. Very good. Great. Wow. Great. Good. Wow. Very good. Okay. Intelligent. And last, skyscraper. Perfect. Wow, perfect, Van. Thank you so much for that. That's amazing. Correct. All right. Wow. Now, let's check if it is all right. Okay, very good. We have skyscraper, intelligent, niece,
arrogant base nephew.
Correct. Now, Van, thank you for that. Now, let's have another activity. Okay, let's review lesson 1. Match and read the complete sentence.
Fred and Mary are Timmy's cousins.
Correct.
Timmy
Fred?
and Sam went to a campsite.
That's right. They went to a campsite.
Mary is Vic's niece.
Niece, that's right, correct. Fred?
And Fred is Nick's nephew.
Wow. Wow, fantastic, Van. Very good. Amazing job. Right. Yay! Okay, now, Ben, let's have another activity. Okay, let's read and then answer the question. Okay, Cindy and her...
See Timmy and his mom in front of the mall. They cannot go home because their car won't start. What do you think Cindy and her mom will do?
Right, so we have here a hint, Van. Give a lift. Okay, I think Cindy.
I think Cindy will
And her mom.
her mom will give Timmy and his mom a lift.
Yes, that's right. Perfectly said. Okay, I think Cindy and her mom will give Timmy and his mom a lift. Yes, correct. To their home. Very good. Fantastic, Van. Good job. Now, let's continue, Van. Let's have the next slide. Okay, let's have a role play. Complete the sentences using these hints. Okay, now, Peter
and this is Mike. They are my cousins.
Correct.
Nice to meet you both. Are they your mom's niece and nephew? That's right. Their aunt. I'm so happy to meet your family.
Wow, perfect. All right, so we use these words, hints and nephews. Okay, very good. Okay, let me type it here, nephew. Okay, let me type it correctly. Right, so they are my cousins. Very good.
Yeah.
And nice to meet you both. Are they your mom's niece and nephews? Correct. Fantastic job, Van. Very good. Now, let's have another activity. Okay, let's have lesson 2 review, Van, using this word bank. Shy.
I like her because she's intelligent. She reads and understands English easily. I like Harry because he speaks gently. I don't like Jill because she's arrogant. She always thinks she's better than everyone. John is sometimes shy, but I like him. He's kind and polite.
Wow! All are correct, Van. Very good. Very good job. Okay, first we have, the word intelligent. I like Nancy because she's intelligent. Now I like Henry because he speaks gently. That's right. I don't like Jill because she's arrogant. You are correct. And John is sometimes shy, but I like him. Wow! Congratulations, Van. Very good. Now let's continue. Okay, again, let's use this word bank. Go, love, and then play. Write the correct.
This is Dave. He plays table tennis.
Yes, right.
Tony and Sarah are friends. They always go to school together. Ken and Ben are twins. They laugh a lot.
Perfect. Wow, again, congratulations, Van. You are all correct. Okay. We have here the first word. This is Dave. He plays table tennis. Very good. Now, Tony and Sarah are friends. They always go to school together. Again, correct. And the twins, Ken and Ben, they laugh a lot. Van, what do you always do at home?
What?
Okay, what do you always do at home? Do you also play? Go with friends?
Always.
Okay. Let me type it here, okay? Let me type in the chat box. What do you always do at home? Okay. I type it there.
Oh, I always do homework at home.
Wow! Van is very hardworking and studious. Wow! I always do homework at home and play sometimes. All right. Okay, great job, Van. Now,
Wait. I find this book.
oh, you read that book?
No, I'm going to find the book.
Okay. Take your time. Okay. I will wait here. Find your book first.
Do you know this one?
What? AMC8. What is that book about?
Mathematics.
Magic?
Yes, mathematics.
Wow, do you know? Do you read that? Complete? Have you done reading it all? Mathematics. Math.
Yes, math.
Oh.
What?
Oh. Have you finished?
Yes.
Oh, wow, that's great. Van, you are a hardworking student. Keep it up. Keep it up. All right, now, okay. Are you ready for your next activity? Okay. Now
Oh, I
we
will
have
go out.
here.
I'm not waiting.
Okay.
Oh, I'm coming.
Okay. Now let's continue.
Hello, everyone. I'm Cindy from America.
Okay. Now we have here the jumbled sentence. Okay. Arrange.
I get excellent grades in every subject.
Right. Perfect. I get excellent grades in every subject. Correct. Number 2. Hey.
Hey, I'm Jack from America. I'll show you my class invention if I become the team leader.
Perfectly said. That's right. Now next. My name.
My name is Toby. I'm from Kenya. I am Africa. I like wild animals.
Wow, correct. That's right. Oh, again, Van, congratulations. Perfect. Okay, let's read one more time. I get excellent grades in every subject. And next, I'll show you my coolest invention if I become the team leader. And then I like wild animals. Perfect. Now, let's have a writing project, Ben. Okay? Tell me about your best friend. Okay, tell teacher about your best friend.
My best friend. I haven't best
All
friend.
right. What about a close classmate? Okay.
What?
Friend that is close to you, not just best friend, or a classmate that you like.
My classmate.
Yes.
My classmate. Just like.
You may use these words: intelligent, shy, and gently.
He is intelligent.
Yes, he is. Okay, let me type it here. He is intelligent
and he's clever.
Oh, he is clever and.
But he is arrogant.
But he is arrogant. Oh. All right, so your classmate, again, he is intelligent and he is clever, but he is arrogant. Wow, that's right. Very good sentence, Van. You were able to use these words, intelligent. Okay, now, what about the word shy?
Shy?
Yes, okay.
My cousin.
My cousin.
Oh, my cousin. My cousin. I don't know.
Speaks. All right, let's just make a sentence. Okay, my cousin. Let's assume it is my cousin. My cousin is shy. Okay, my cousin is shy. Okay, very good. That's right. Now the word gently.
I speak gently.
Okay, I speak gently. All right. Cool. Okay. That's nice, Van. Thank you for making all these words. Okay. Now let's continue. Match the words to complete the sentences.
The
Base.
the school building is big and strong. My
Correct.
friends and I won the basketball game because of our teamwork.
Correct.
Timmy does not think that the tower he made with toy blocks will collapse.
Yes, collapse. Very good. And is there?
And is there a skyscraper in your city? Yes.
Yes, very good. Now next, make sentences using the pictures and words, Van. Okay, example. I should set the alarm clock for 6 a.m. Okay, in order to wake up early. Okay, use these hints in order to.
I shall brush my teeth in order to
have shiny.
to have shiny teeth.
Correct. Now, fruits and vegetables, healthy.
I should eat fruits and vegetables
In order
to have healthy.
Yes, correct. That's right. In order to be healthy. Now, let's have a role play, Van. Okay, I'll be Timmy. You'll be Sam. Okay, let's use these hints. Collapse, in order to, base, and skyscrapers. Okay. What can we build using these sticks?
We can
Build.
We can build a skyscraper.
Correct, that's right. That's a good idea. What should we do first?
We should make base in order to have
a building.
Building what?
Okay, we should make the base strong.
We should make the base strong.
Yes, that's right. Correct.
In order to have what?
To have a building that won't collapse.
Oh.
Yes, right. Okay. The base should be strong in order to have a building that won't collapse. All right. Correct. Okay, that's right, Van. Now, Van. Wow, we are almost done. But let's see what you've reviewed today. Okay, let's read the keywords first.
Nephew, campsite, intelligent, gently arrogant, shy, skyscraper, base, collapse, teamwork.
Grammar.
Simple present tense. I get excellent grades in every subject.
Wow. All right. Now, thank you, Van. Let's have the sentence.
To the summer camp. In order to make it really high, we need a big base first.
Wow, Ben, thank you so much for reading those keywords, grammar, and sentence patterns. Now, you deserve a trophy and a medal. Let me give you one trophy. Okay, one medal. Van, great job, okay, in answering all the questions, matching the sentences with the pictures, and making your own sentences. Okay, you are fantastic. Great job today. Congratulations. Now, Van, do you have any questions from our lessons today? All right, no questions. Now let me give you a trophy and medal. Okay, and your rewards. Okay, did you see it? You got a lot. I give you a lot. All right. And another star from teacher. Wow. Job well done, Van. Thank you so much for today's lesson. Be happy, be good, be safe. Bye-bye for now.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Van.